Okay, and we're working on Common Core State Standards Math, 7th grade, Ratios and Proportions 1A, NS, Number Systems 3, and the graduation standards are Numbers and Quantity 1A. We're talking about complex fractions as unit rates. So a complex fraction is a fraction inside of a fraction, and a unit rate is looking like a fraction, only it's labeled. And so let's tackle it inside a word problem. How much nicer can that be? Anyways, Hannah can jog a mile and 1/3 mile. I'll start again. Hannah can jog 1 1/3 miles in 1/4 of an hour. So 1 1/3 miles in 1/4 of an hour. So let's pull out the math here. And here's some math. And what is the average in miles per hour? So we want to know what the average speed is. So let's pull it out. 1 1/3 miles, that's a rate, over 1/4 of an hour. Do you see how it's, if we didn't have the fraction here, it would be miles over hour would be a unit rate. So anyways, we're going to be rewriting it, and let's just look at the fraction part here. This is a rate. We're going to take care of the fraction. So it's 1 1/3, and this here bar is called divide by, so we're going to rewrite that. So again, we keep this, change this, and flip that one. So it's keep this one, 1 1/3, change this to multiplication, and multiplication now is a dot, and we're going to flip this to 4 over 1. Well, to do that, we want to change this into an improper fraction, and remember I have 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4/3, times 4 over 1, how I'm working down all the time. Now, when you're multiplying fractions, you multiply across, numerator to numerator, so 4 times 4 is 16, 3 times 1, so denominator times denominator, and you're going to get 3, and now you're going to, this is an improper fraction, so you stop, drop, and divide, drop that in, and divide, and I get 5. 3 times 5 is 15, subtract, my remainder goes over as a fraction. And so it is, what is her average speed in miles per hour? So her Hannah's average speed is, so average speed, we have to answer the question, is 5 1/3 miles per hour. Remember I said the slash was a per, and so here you go. You get 5 1/3 miles per hour. And this is Hannah who's running this. There you go. Thank you. Bye-bye.